Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another tutorial coming from me to you guys. Today's tutorial is on how to tie this sweetheart gele. This gele is very beautiful. It's very easy to tie as well. So I'm using my George material. I love to use this George material for gele tying because of the texture and the way it feels when you tie this gele. You can tie it with ashoke and it will come out looking beautiful. You can tie it with Ankara material as well. So guys, if today is your first time stopping by my channel, please remember to subscribe, and when you subscribe, remember also to click on the notification bell up there so that you get notification anytime I upload a new video. New subs, you are welcome to the family. Welcome. We have a lot to learn. Old subscribers, thank you for being there for me. We are 10k subs and I'm so happy. So this video is for you guys who have a lot of video waiting for you guys. So I started up with 70-30 system. We all know it. One side is shorter, the other side is longer. So you can make your pleat before you place it on the head, or you pleat on the head of your model. So guys, I'm working on the 70 part of this gele right now, as you can see on the screen. So when I'm done, I'm crossing with the 30 right now, as you can see. So you form your pleats. The number of pleats I formed is 5. So 5 on the side of the 70, 5 on the side of the 30. So the 30 is up now. Just watch on the screen and you understand what I'm doing. So I'm making a pleat right now to form the 5 pleats on the 30 side of this gele. Remember, you are crossing it slantly, is not straight, so that the V shape at the front will come out. So when I'm done with this, my 5 pleats on the 30 side, I'm going to pin it down. Just watch my hand on the screen and you understand what I'm saying. So that is it. So when I'm done, I'm going to just raise these pleats up and hold the 70 while I'm holding the 30. Draw it very well to make sure that I place it very well on the head. So you use your pin, the normal office pin that we all know for this. Just tag it very well. Tag it, pin it in a way that when you remove your hand, it will be firm. So guys, remember to help out, remember to watch my videos, remember to share my video with your friends, remember to give me a thumbs up if you love this video, if you love other videos that I've done on gele. So please remember to give me a thumbs up and remember to share it with your friends so that they can learn as well. So what I do here, I'm going to pleat this place like in a zigzag form. Yeah, the reason why I do it in a zigzag form is to make both sides come out bold. Wash my hands and you understand what I'm doing there. Remember, you are not pleating it for the zigzag to form. You are pleating to form a round pleat. So you just have to pleat the zigzag style on top of each other. So if you watch on the screen, you understand that the round plate is coming out. Like I told you, I'm not pleating to see the zigzag style. I'm pleating because I want both sides to come out looking bold and scanty. That is the beauty of this style of gele. So now I'm done with the pleat. So it's time to arrange it. If you look at by the side, you understand what I just did. Both sides is just scanty and bold the way I want it. So it's time to work on the other side after arranging the sorry guys, it's time to work on the both side right now. So I'm going to, as I do this, I'm going to just keep holding the center of the gele while I work on both sides. So it's time to tie the back of this gele. Because of the type of hair she made, I'm just going to like tie it so on the hair. I'm just going to tie it on this braid to make the gele firm. If you have watched my video on how step by step on how to tie round gele, you understand the way I tie the back of my gele. So just tie it very well, knot it so it will be firm on the head of your bride or model. So guys, let's do the final work on this gele, which is the center of the gele that I hold. I'm going to tag it. I'm going to sew it with my needle and thread. You have to look for the needle. You have to look for a needle, then a thread that will match the gele you are tying. Then you sew both together. As you are sewing it, you make sure the arrangement is okay. Just sew it very well so that it will be firm enough. When you are done with the sewing, you do your arrangements. Arrange the side very well. Remember, it's bold. You don't have to make it tiny. That is the beauty of this gele. So same thing here. If you watch on this side, you will see that the gele did not reach down. So what I'll do now is to just use my pin and pin it. That is all. Or you sew it with your needle and thread. So whichever one you choose to do it properly so that it will not pull out. So guys, just after the pinning, you arrange your gele very well. That is all. If you like this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Remember to share this video with your friends. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Thank you for being there for me. More tutorial on gele and makeup. This makeup look coming soon. See you in my next video. Bye.